Hello children, how are you all? Hope all of you are fine, enjoying also, right? And I'm sure you had gone through the last video of this chapter, chapter 5, Annalisa and the Giant, right? And this is the second part of this chapter. You know that Merchant Bull, he demanded 50 sack of wheats, 60 chickens and 10 sheep. But they were discussing ki Annalisa, she was telling no, the man is lying. So because of that, all others also, they were also saying something wrong. So because of that, they decided they will go to Chip's house and there they will finalize, right? So all they were discussing how to give these many things. They are already in starvation. Already they are in starvation. So they were thinking how to give. Annalisa told grandfather that Merchant Wolf lies. The giant wants to have friendship with us. He wanted to have friends only. He shouted, "Only I want friends." This way he shouted. But he didn't shout like this, I want chicken, I want that sheep, I want this sack of wheat. So later on, Grandpa Annalisa went to the chief's house along with some villagers to get the solution. At chief's house, they all discussed and said the giant is a nice person. He come to make friends only. He comes to make friends only. He always brings flowers and fruits for them. For children, he always brings fruits and flowers, but he never had anything from the village. Grandpa said that children are starving every week and Wolf takes away our food. So this time they started thinking differently what is going on. They all discussed and understood that Merchant Wolf has been cheating them. All they observed giving, so they planned ki today only we have to observe. On Wednesday we'll give all these things and we'll observe what is going on. So on Wednesday night they gave villagers, they gave that 50 sack of wheat, 60 chicken and 10 sheep. Giving all these things, they were observing from a hidden place, right? All they observed, giving all things he demanded. Wolf was celebrating the loot. All these things were loot only. He was enjoying. He was celebrating the loot. He goes to another market, sell them out and becoming rich. He is cheating us and selling all these things, becoming rich by selling all these things. But he is not thinking about us. Only he is saying giant he wants, otherwise children will be taken away by him. Wolf and his men were arrested. So finally, when they all found he was wrong and this was the plan to catch him, to arrest him. So Wolf and his men were arrested. Hugo was very happy seeing the doors open, because previously all they shut the doors seeing him. Now all the doors were open. Seeing that, Hugo was very happy. He walked up to the balcony. Annalisa welcomed him with a flower. Every time the giant brings flowers and fruits for them, so this time Annalisa, she was also ready with flowers to welcome the giant. Annalisa requested her to speak politely because Giant, the man Hugo, he always speaks or spoke in a different way. Very loudly he spoke. So this way, because of that only Annalisa said, speak politely. Okay. Because that time they saw no ki all they were covering their ears because of that loud voice. So because of that she said, speak politely. Hugo had brought some gifts for them. As usual, he used to bring, so this time also he brought gifts for them. He brought almonds and raisins for them, which he grew in his field, in his farm. They thanked to each other, and children they played in Hugo's beautiful garden. They were also very happy. Days were very different for Hugo and the villagers. They all lived happily afterwards. Ever after, they were very happy. So, this is the story of this chapter. Hope you understood and enjoyed also. If you have doubts, you can call me, or during that doubt session, you can ask me. Okay, so this much only. Be happy, stay at home, enjoy. Okay, bye, take care. And you know, every Wednesday will have your test. Take care. Chapter test will be on every Wednesday for you, right? This time you will have your test on 23rd September. Okay, so note it down and get prepared. Okay, bye, take care.